Want to cancel your DoorDash DashPass in less than a minute? I've got you. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to cancel your DashPass subscription directly inside the DoorDash app, whether you're using an iPhone or Android. This works for both free trials and paid memberships, so if you're trying to avoid getting charged or you just don't use it anymore, stay with me. Before we continue, quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. I'm not selling this product. I'm exposing it so you don't get misled. Now, let's jump right in. Go ahead and open the DoorDash app on your phone and make sure you're logged in to the correct account. Once you're on the home screen, look down at the bottom right corner and tap on the account icon. This will take you to your profile settings. At the top of the account page, you'll see Manage DashPass. Tap that. Inside this section, you'll see your membership details, including your renewal date, billing information, and whether you're currently on a free trial or active subscription. Scroll down until you find Cancel Membership. Tap on that option. DoorDash will ask why you're canceling. You can select any reason that fits, then tap Continue. On the next screen, confirm by selecting Cancel DashPass. Once you confirm, your subscription will officially be canceled. And that's it. Make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.